Today's date is March the 9th, 2015. In November, I lost my court case to the officer that I have on the other two videos. The officer actually lied a lot in court. I called him 7 different lies, and the prosecutor would not allow for me to introduce a video witness or eyewitness, and the judge just pretty much said, you know what, those things that the officer said, I'm just going to leave those up to as just maybe his mistake. Well, when it comes to the law, there's no your mistake. There's the law, and then there's a lie. So I just got finished sending off a police report to the El Camino College Police Department. I'm pretty sure they're not going to do anything about it. I'm pretty sure they're going to rip it up like they do everything else, like every police department does. But my next step is to get the case appealed for violation of my 6th Amendment on 3 different counts, violation of my 1st, 4th, 9th, and 14th Amendment rights, and go from there. So what I do know is this. The officer claimed that I made a rolling stop and just didn't stop completely altogether, that I went through the stop line, and that he was behind me all the time. I actually have video proof that he's lying. My first video shows a wall on the passenger side. Come on. Well, that wall on the passenger side is going westbound, not westbound, it's going eastbound at an intersection. The officer said I kept on going northbound on. I actually spoke about what happened as well before I got the ticket. So this officer is pretty much claiming that all the things that happened, I did not stop, I didn't want to stop, and I was irate with him. When I asked him simple questions of where's parking, after I asked him where's parking, he decided to put his emergency lights on. Well, putting emergency lights on in an event that that's not an emergency is actually a felony, and you can go to jail for that. Stopping a person and falsifying a police report, especially falsifying a police report under color of law, is a misdemeanor, and you can go to jail for 1 year and have $10,000 worth of a fine, which I'd rather collect that $10,000 myself, and a lot more. I mean, the guy is just a liar, and he's a douche. So this is to show people as evidence that I am at the El Camino College. This is the location. I walked all the way from the police department over to here, talking to you. Come on. And I want justice. Cops lie so much because they know they can get away with it. But what happens when you lie and you just cost people money and misery? It costs a person their job. Sorry. You cost them their job. And that's what happened to me. Bye. Get over here now. What the fuck are you doing? Put your arms back in. Catch up with that. You don't walk way behind me.